In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can play Style Showdown on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress, and when the first time you open Dress to Impress, it will bring you to the regular server. And if we want to join the Style Showdown event, we can click on this menu. Okay, then you can click on Style Showdown to join the event. Okay, and just hold on. We're going to teleport to the Style Showdown event. Okay, and then you just need to go to this room. Okay, wait, I'm going to close it. And now we're waiting for the other players. Okay. Now we're going to go to the Style Showdown event. And it's still loading. Okay, and here I'm just going to collect money. Okay, then you can find like secret statue actually to save you from the elimination. Okay, I'm just going to skip this part to make it faster. And you know, guys, the Lana will be the host of this showdown, this Style Showdown. Okay, I'm just going to skip it. Okay, now we're waiting for the players. And okay, now I'm going to try to find the secret statue. Oops, there is no secret statue. I'm just going to collect money. Okay, you need to pay attention to the theme. It's retro revival. And if you don't know the theme, you can get the hint here. Bring back styles from past fashion era. And here you just need to follow every mission and make sure you're not getting eliminated. Okay, I'm just going to go to the makeup section. And I'm just going to pick this one. Okay. And go to the hair. Okay, make sure you dress according to the theme. Okay, for the old style, I'm just going to choose this one. Right, and I'm going to exit. And now it's time to put on the dress to our avatar. I'm just gonna use this dress. Okay, and here, guys, we just need to make sure that we're not getting eliminated, so we will be the winner. Okay, guys, and that's all the way to play Style Showdown on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.